Here I'm taking a look at the Tozo NC3 Bluetooth earbuds. Very excited to be looking at these today. New entry from Tozo. Now there's a box just there, and as you can see we've got the black earbuds and a bit more about the products on the back there, which we'll go into shortly. Just open up and take a look at what comes inside. So here we are. So you've got the normal, you've got the case just there, you've got the charging cable, you've got the earbud tips, and you've also got the instruction guide just there as well. We'll put that to the side. We're going to show you guys through all that in detail. So there's the case just there. So if you open it up just there, take out the earbuds. Now you can see firstly you've got the charging battery life there, which I think is really cool. So it shows you how much is available on each earbud. The case is very nice and light as well. Now you get 55 hours playtime with the case and with the earbuds, which I think is excellent. You get 13 hours of charging time with just the earbuds alone as well. You can see it's got the lovely matte finish there. See how it's shining off the light. There's in-ear earbuds as well. You control them both from each section. Now these do have ANC and ENC noise cancellation as well. They've got 6 microphones in them, so 3 in each microphone. And this does ENC calling, so basically it reduces the microphone depending on the environment you're in. I'll put that down just there. As I said, there's a USB-C cable and the different ear tips. So let's go look at the earbuds in a bit more detail. So you put them into the case just like this. Now they're magnetic as well, so basically means we turn them over. You see that? They don't move at all. Now you've got the USB-C charging cable there at the back as well, as you can see. And they're clip designed too, so you clip them off and the battery life comes on there. Nice case as well. Now, as I said, each of these earbuds has 13 hours in playtime and 9.5 hours if you use the active noise cancellation on them as well. Now, they have active noise cancellation as well as ambient aware, which is great. So basically what that means is you tap the earbuds and it means you can hear the surrounding sound around you too. Now, they look really good. 10 minutes of charging as well gives you 1 hour of time as well. So it's really good. Now, if we want to look at kind of the rating of it, so IPX8 water rated. So it means if you get these wet, they're not going to go and fail at all. So they're rated for splashes, so you can use them exercising out and about. They also have 32 EQ settings built into them as well. So that means you've got all different types of music that you can use when you're running and listening to them. But look at that as well. They feel really light. They'd only be a couple of grams at most. Noise cancellation gives you about 45 decibels as well. Now, these also include 5.3 Bluetooth as well. So that basically means when you're using them, you've got very, very good Bluetooth connection as well. So all in all, a very good budget pair of earbuds, the Tozo NC3.